Hello, this is going to be the lesson 6 of digital marketing course. In this lesson 6 of digital marketing course, I am going to tell you mainly how to find the exact long tail keyword, mainly how to choose which is the best keyword to rank your website very fast in Google. So in the previous video I already told you one how to choose a long tail keyword, what are the one of the best technique to rank your website in search engines of top of Google, in the first page of Google or in the first position of Google. So in this I am going to tell you the second technique, the most easiest, the second technique, that is going to be how keyword golden ratio, friends, keyword golden ratio, how this keyword golden ratio will help in ranking your site top in Google. In the previous video I told you you need to insert the double inverted commas in search engine box so that you can find how to choose a particular long tail keyword which is having a zero competition, zero searches in which people are not searching. The first concept. I already told you what are the benefits. In the next video I told you like that. The before telling the benefits of that particular long tail keyword, I am going to tell the second technique, that is going to be how keyword golden ratio. This is going to be the second technique, the second most important technique in which every search engine optimized person, every person should use this keyword golden ratio technique to rank your site very fast. So how this keyword golden ratio will help in ranking your site very fast in Google? The first thing you need to do, friends, you need to open the Google search box. You need to open google.co.in, and in the search box of Google, what you need to do is you need to enter the keyword, whatever the keyword you have chosen. You need to enter that particular keyword. After entering that particular keyword, whatever you have chosen, which is going to be a long tail keyword, in the long tail keyword, in the previous of long tail keyword, you need to enter all in title. This is going to be the keyword golden ratio technique. What you need to do, in the search box you need to enter the keyword. Suppose I already told you the digital marketing. So the best digital marketing 2020 training in Hyderabad, the best digital marketing 2020 courses training in Hyderabad is going to be more than 7 words. I already told you. So if you choose this keyword, one of the keyword, you need to enter in the search box of Google. That is going to be all in title before the keyword. Suppose this is the keyword where best digital marketing 2020 course training in Hyderabad. Before of this keyword, you need to enter all in title is to, and you have to press the search box. After that, you'll see the list of websites. In the top of the list of websites, there will be a result. There will be a result like 25, 45, 65 result. So what you need to do, you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, you have to go to the last page. You have to go to the last page of Google. When you go to the last page of Google, you will find the exact result. In the top of the Google search result, it will be automatically, it will be displayed like 5, 10, 15, 25. So okay, what you have to do is, after going to the last page of Google, you will find exact result in the top of Google like 15, 20, 25. You have to note down that particular number. What is the result number, which is 5 or 10 or 15, like that. You have to go with 15, 20, 25, like that. You have to write it, you have to note down in a notepad. And next, what you have to do is, the mainly whatever the keyword which is going to be a long tail keyword, already I told you, you have to choose a long tail keyword. You have to choose a long tail keyword which is a low competition, which is a zero competition searches, in which people are not searching that keyword. One of the example, as a beginner, I already told you. Then what you have to do is, that particular keyword, suppose if the long all in title, whatever the result which is displayed in the top of the Google, if suppose if we take 10 to 15, so that 15, what is the 15 divided by what are the searches to the particular keyword, in which you can see in AdWords keyword planner tool. Suppose already I told you it is, there is no searches, it is 0. So 15 divided by 0, that means what you have to do is the result divided by searches. The most important of this KGR technique, this is going to be a KGR technique, that is keyword golden ratio technique, is nothing but what you have to do is the results divided by searches. How many results you got? Suppose you got in the last page of Google, if you find it out like 10, 15, 5, that is 15 results divided by how many searches are going at present? We have seen 0 searches. So 15 divided by 0 is 0. So you can easily rank that particular website very easily. I already told you first technique and this second technique. If you get 15 divided by 0 is 0 automatically. But some keywords, what happens is, you can also choose a keyword in the keyword golden ratio, like even if the searches are below 250, not even the 0 competition keyword, you can also see that the searches are being made below 250. Below 250, if the searches are being running in Google, in which the people are searching, if that particular long tail keyword which is having a 250 searches below, you can easily rank your website also. As a beginner also you can rank your website very easily. But the main concept is, as a new beginner which do not have any idea, you need to take a long tail keyword which is having 0 searches. But some better, you can also take a long tail keyword which is having the searches below 250 per month. Below 250 per month, you have to take that particular keyword, and that particular keyword, whatever the results you got in the last page of Google, that suppose I told you 15, last page of Google, if you see the results top in the top, it will be displayed in the top of Google. So the 15 divided by 250, and always you have to get the value of 0.25 less. The value should be 0.25. Suppose I already told you the results is 15. The 15 divided by searches is how much? The minimum searches it should be below 250. 250 means 15 divided by 250. What is the value you are getting? The particular value always should be less than 0.25. It should be always less than 0.25. If you get that particular exact value, like suppose the results, one of the keyword you have taken, like best digital marketing 2020 training in Hyderabad. One of the keyword you have taken. It might be 6 words or 5 words. Let us expect. And the results are like something like 12 results are there by entering this all in title. And if you see here searches, when you see the searches of this digital marketing training 2020 training in Hyderabad, by adding a year, so that particular long tail keyword, so let us expect per month in Google AdWords, if you see that the searches are going to be 100, the searches are going to be 100, means what you have to see, already I told you the results should be something like 12, 15. Suppose I expected 12, to that keyword it is the results of the Google display, which is 12 with by inserting this all in title. So that particular number 12 divided by searches for this keyword digital marketing 2020 training in Hyderabad is going to be 100. So 12 divided by 100. 12 divided by 100. If you divide that particular result divided by searches, result divided by searches, how many searches? 250 below searches. Long tail keyword, low competition keyword. That means 12 divided by 100 searches. Whatever the value you get, that should be always 0.25. If you get the value of 0.25 below, then you can easily rank that particular long tail keyword. But some keywords, even though if you get for some other keywords, automatically the searches will be below 250. The searches the value will be whatever you get, it will be below 0.25, and the searches will be more than 500. if the searches are more than 500, my dear friends, if the searches are more than 500, if you choose the keyword which is a long tail keyword, if the searches are more than 500 and the results are divided by searches, then suppose 15 divided by 500, if you get even 0.25 below also, if the result value, if you get below 0.25 also, you cannot rank your website top in Google, because already the competition is there, because already that particular competition is there to that keyword. Always use as a beginner a zero competition keyword, no searches. The first preference, no searches. The next, after doing this SEO work in digital marketing, then you can go for the searches keyword which is having 250 below. The main concept is KGR technique. In ranking your website for Google, the main thing you have to choose a 7 words keyword which is having a very less competition, which is as a beginners a zero searches, people are not searching. And the second thing is the KGR technique, no searches at all, nothing else. All in title means what, sir? All in title means, suppose if we type a digital marketing 2020 training in Hyderabad, if there will be a list of websites which it will be displayed. In that particular list of websites, you will see the title, best digital marketing training in Hyderabad digital marketing. How many titles are available? How many titles are there in those websites? So you can easily analyze that particular, these many titles are there in this particular website. So there is a kind of a less competition. So we can easily estimate that we can easily rank our website. So like that, by using this keyword golden ratio, the value should be 0.25. Always the searches, mainly the searches of a keyword should be 250 below only per month. If there are no searches, if it is a long tail keyword with the 7 words, you can deadly, you can easily and very easily, happily, you can rank this particular keyword very fast in Google, friends. Very fast in Google. It will rank your site very fast. So my dear friends, the most important point is, this is going to be the technique 2, that is keyword golden ratio. This keyword golden ratio, if you implement this keyword golden ratio, you can easily rank your website very fast. But here, by choosing this keyword golden ratio, one of the part, the next part is what? The next part is nothing but by choosing a domain name. What kind of keyword we need to choose that particular long tail keyword as our domain name, that I am going to discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.